self-learning is something which is different, which
Hmm.
people can do. When I was like at your age, obviously I used to do a lot of self-learning because I'm a kind of that woman where like that girl, or that time I was a girl itself, right? So
Hmm.
I'm a woman now. That time I was a
Hmm.
girl. That time I used to like do a lot of self-learning, but now I don't think like people have that much of thing to self-learn. And even if they have, also this not a kind of exam where you can self-learn and succeed
Self-learn.
within the first attempt. So
Yeah.
our target is not waste your money, dear. First of all, what the thing is, main motto of this course is to not waste your time, to let you know what's the proper thing. See,
Hmm.
once you've understood the strategy, it becomes very easy to you, right? Don't you
Yeah.
think so? If
Yeah.
you
Yeah. It
don't
is.
strategy and all, how to move, how to go along with this, it'll be very tough. You don't
Hmm.
know what to do, whether you read the passage first, whether you read the questions first, whether you should underline the keywords, whether you should not underline the keywords. It becomes different. How we can trace the answer. So tracing the answer is also very important, right? So how to
Yeah.
trace the answer, almost bangs your brain.
Hmm.
So we make it a little easier for you to understand it much
Yeah.
better. We have 7+ years experience in the same industry, the
Yeah. Yeah.
same kind of. What do you think about the training program?
Well, I have to say, I really had a very good training session with Priya ma'am. And actually, this was like preparing for IELTS is something that everyone dream for, and it is a very important step you manage to do it well, because after it is going to affect your further life. So I think choosing a better tutor is must required, and I think Priya ma'am just did her work really well. She just gave me all the required tips that I have to do on exam time. She also letted me know what mistakes I'm doing so that I can rectify in main exam. And yeah, it was really quite good experience, and I have to thank her. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, what do you think about the materials that I've given? Are they worth preparing?
Yeah, I have to say they are really worth preparing. I know many of us get IELTS books from online, but this course, I mean, text booster books and the audio tapes that you have sent are like really making you at the real time experience of how you're going to have the main exam. And I think all the materials that she sent was really worth watching and really helpful in practicing, because the tips that she's already letting us know are obviously we are going and applying them in that books, and that will be really helpful for your final exam.
Yeah. So, how much you're gonna rate if you're gonna rate out of 5?
Well, I will give whole five because I have to say this is IELTS is something that we really plan for, and it is not like we are just taking it for time, just to pass my time, or just we are leisure and something. We are giving so much of effort, so much of money, and we really expect the worth we want from that. So I will give whole five because she have given me all the tips that I have to follow. She have given me everything that I have to do that are necessary for me to do in that particular exam. So I will give 5 out of 5.
Thank you so much, Aishwarya.
Thank you so much.
And one more question that I have for the future students. So, what do you think that people have to prepare, and how they have to prepare for IELTS, according to you?
Well, I feel firstly, when you're planning for something big that you never planned before, and you wanted to do something big, just make sure that you have to do it because you want to do it. And when you decide that in your mind, you have to be very vigorously working for that. And I think preparing for IELTS will be easy when you feel like you have to achieve it, because it will be tougher being studying for IELTS may be initially tough, because when you're trying to learn it all alone, you will obviously have some doubts, or you may not have all the tips that you have necessarily wanted for that exam. But yeah, initially it will be tough, but if you're watching more videos, if you're having a tutor or trainer, that will really help you. And I think you don't need years for practicing IELTS. You just need a proper 1 month with full focus, and yes, you can achieve it.